What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel of Gamers Boy 1352. And guys, I'm very happy because I just rolled and I got the legendary legendary Blox Fruits, and I am store it, bro. Do not lagging. Is it store? Yes, because yes. I am sure the one time I am sure the gravity fruit and the reconnect option is available, and my gravity fruit is dead. Yes. Okay, what minutes we do? I am show you, bro. I should eat the sound fruit, or we eat the magma, ghost, ice, flame. Okay, don't eat the dark fruit because the dark fruit is very dark and the kitchen guy is shocking. Let's do the PvP animal. Guys, today the goal is get to level 240. Okay, we do the magic. First of all, give me all energy. Dead right here. Kill. Yes, and we do the magic. Okay, we do the aura. And boom. Okay. We do the quest of the warden yet, and we do the skipping. Yes. Zakara 215 FDVC. Accept, bro. New friend. Yes. Okay, the warden is the red XP. But it's not a lot. So yes, starting the grinding of the prisoners. We do the magic yesterday video. We do the magic. Yes. We got the level 230 right here. Sorry guys, we do not get the magic this guys. We do this guy magic. Dangerous prisoner. Okay, level 210. Bro, where is your base? Yes. Okay. So we are level 230 with this. And we have 7 stat points. This do the magic, guys. This do the magic. And let's kill the chief warden. We got the warden sword. The warden is come, but the chief warden is come. So yes, we kill first of all warden and then chief warden. Yes. Hey guys, we are now level 232, and yes, the chief warden is not fun and not fun. So we are all over grinding. And guys, the chief warden is dead. Bro, not please. No! It's level 224, yes! What is the today's target? Get to level up! Bro, what's level? Yes, 240, bro. We do the drink. Bro, get the chest. Yes, this is the target. To get the chest. Let's do the target of the swan, and we do the change the another server. Yes. Okay, what server we go? White, yellow. My favorite color is yellow, guys. You don't know, but yes, big yellow. Or good sun. Sun is also color is yellow. North Angel. Odd eyes. Odd eyes we will enter. This is our episode, right? But we are upping the level fast. This is our fifth episode, and we are level 240. Yes, not level, but we got the yes. Okay, get the aura color. And yes, let's get the chief warden quest. Come, chief warden, here. Okay, guys, kill him. He killed me. Kill him. We have the 19. The dog was there. You kill this one and get the quest of warden. Okay, let's do this. Bro, dog good guy. Please kill right. Please kill here. Bro, don't kill. Yeah. Yes, but the target is not completed. But we complete the target. We get the level 235 and we have money to waste of Blox Fruits gacha. I mean not, but get the. I have the good fruits. Yes. So we do the grinding of prison. I mean dangerous prisoners. Okay, guys. Please go NPC. We did not get the. Bro. With this NPC we get the. 240. Yes. 7 stat point 14444. Okay, guys. Today goal is completed. And yes, guys. I killed the shop bosses more and more time. And look, I got this sharp shot. And I killed the voice admiral to money to buy the electric fighting style. And I got the yes, guess this. Okay, equip the saber and equip black race. The chief warden is here. I am called to kill me. Bruh, this is. Okay, guys, this is for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye bye, guys. And yes, I have the sound fruit.